many. I got too many. I got too many. Cars, clothes, I got too many. Flows, 5, 4, 3 hoes, nigga, I got too many.
What up, what up, what up? It's team, no, it's not team anymore, but Star Nation in the house. Right now, I'm going on a little trip right now, going to St. Maarten. I hope you guys will like this. Maybe I would film, maybe or not. I don't know as yet, but let's have fun. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Don't forget to comment down below, see what you want to see. And maybe in the future, I'll be going on more trips, hopefully. So let's go ahead and see what's going on. Let's get it. What up, ladies and gentlemen? I hope everything is going good. You guys can hear me. I know you're in the road right now on the way to St. Maarten. So don't know if you can hear me so good, but I will try to talk. Well, we both will be leaving very soon, and I hope you guys will like the ride. I will show a little bit of the video, what's going on.
Hold the straps tight until the life jacket fits snug and secure. But the loose ends of the strap. Fasten the chin strap tightly but still comfortably. If chin strap can't be closed, tuck it away behind your waist belt. Light will activate when in water or activate the light yourself. Whistle for drawing attention. We are also equipped with tree life raft capable of accommodating every soul on board, one in the rear of the vessel and one in the front. Captain, strain to ensure your safety and security of this vessel. Our emergency exits are clearly marked, one at the front of the vessel, one at the entrance door on the port side of the vessel, and 2 at the rear. For those seated upstairs, there's an exit at the rear. Thank you for your cooperation. Sit back, relax, enjoy your trip.
Well, we just reached St. Maarten. Just reached it. Well, are you going in the Porsche? What is it? BMW?
Let me see. You say someone here.
Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah. So the ride was very good, and we're supposed to go back very soon. I don't advise you guys. So if you've never been on a roller coaster, that's how it feels. So don't forget, I'll be filming more in the day right now. It's feeling very hot a little bit right now, so I'll be saying I'll be filming more soon. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Don't forget to show love. Don't forget to show me what you want to see more. You dig? Being smart. Alright? This shows real love. Let's see whose dedication to this. Let's see. Or one like this. You dig? This is very good, you know. But nowadays, let's see. Another one to this. Which one do you rather take? This, or this one? I find this one the best of all. What do you think? Holla back. I'll be right back soon with more videos. So, right now I'm just shopping through St. Maarten to see what's all going on. And we'll see what will be the outcome. So, I'm just getting kind of lost here. See you guys soon. You dig? What's up? Hope everyone is doing fine. I didn't get to film much today because it was a very hostile day, and we're about to leave St. Maarten. And I hope everyone liked the video. I know I didn't have much to show because I was very busy doing a lot of stuff. Maybe one of these days I'll be returning back to St. Maarten for a trip, and hope everyone will like the video. Hope everyone will subscribe, like, and see what we're all about. So hopefully I'll be going back on a trip very soon. That's on you. If I could get 1,000 subscribers. Thank you very much. If you guys can do that, I'd be very appreciated. And don't forget, you're dealing with Star Nation 89. You know what it is. We're all here to support you with emotion. So if you want to come to St. Maarten, check this out and you will get a very good trip. So just reminding you, if you've never been on a roller coaster before, this is the experience to be on. So, and it's not very bumpy, it's very smooth, but if you got seasick, please go on top and you will enjoy the ride a lot more better. So, just enjoy what you have right now, enjoy life, enjoy everything. You know what it is, everyone is having fun, everyone is here. And yeah, this vessel holds about 148 passengers, and above it holds 97 people on top. So it's a lot. So if you want to really come to St. Maarten or whatever, you can contact Makiba, contact her business, and you will see where the next trip is. So when is the next trip? Huh? Oh, I didn't know that. Oh well, you can come every day. Every day. You can book a ticket, book yourself every day, except for Tuesday, to book a ticket to come, I think, to St. Maarten. It's only going to St. Maarten? It's only going to St. Maarten? Well, you can book a ticket to go Sabre and St. Maarten. You can go to. So don't forget, you can just contact whoever, Makiba, and you can talk to her, whatever, and you will see the list wherever is going. I will try to get the link or the picture right here, but if I don't, it's because I haven't got so far to do so. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe and like. You're dealing with Star Nation 89, and don't forget, we're back with more videos very soon. Yeah, we're back on the grind, and we're back on live. You know what it is. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And you know what it is. We're back with more videos. You know what it is. Star Nation 89. Pero tú sabes, yo soy Star Nation 89. Tú sabes. Adiós. Hasta mañana, hasta otro día. Tú sabes. Tú sabes. Oh, bueno, beber ahí. Tú vas a ver más videos muy rápido. Entonces, yo soy aquí por ti. Tú sabes. Adiós.